Sensodyne Repair and Protect is a daily toothpaste for the treatment and prevention of dentine hypersensitivity. Sensodyne Repair and Protect contains Novamin, an advanced calcium and phosphate bioglass technology. A single Novamin particle ranges from about 5 to 20 micrometers in size. New Sensodyne Repair and Protect also contains sodium fluoride. The unique formulation has been developed so that both the Novamin particles and sodium fluoride are protected in their active form and available when brushed with in the mouth. When Novamin comes into contact with saliva, it releases calcium and phosphate ions to build a hydroxyapatite-like layer over and within the dentine tubules. This begins with an ionic exchange between sodium in the Novamin and hydrogen ions from the saliva. This ionic exchange causes a small localized rise in pH that promotes formation of hydroxyapatite. Novamin particles can bind to collagen fibers in dentine. Once deposited, these particles continue to react and act as a calcium and phosphate reservoir to build a hydroxyapatite-like layer over dentine and within the dentine tubules that also incorporates fluoride. This hydroxyapatite-like layer is chemically and structurally similar to biological apatite, forming the inorganic portion of dentine. The reparative layer formed by Sensodyne Repair and Protect starts to form after the first brushing and promotes the dynamic mineralization of dentine to build a substantive reparative layer over the dentine and within the tubules, which in turn reduces dentine permeability. Decreased permeability can relieve dentine hypersensitivity by decreasing the fluid flow within tubules, thereby reducing the activity of nerve endings. Sensodyne Repair and Protect delivers clinically proven relief from the pain of dentine hypersensitivity with twice daily brushing.